Having a website for your small business increases its credibility. But most people think that building a website for their leather goods store is going to be complicated and it's going to be expensive as well. Today, I'm going to be showing you that's definitely not the case. You can build a simple and affordable website on the Mighty Sites platform for your leather goods store. Now, if you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed at all. So make sure you click on the link below this video to get started. Once you've joined the platform, registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, leather goods store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Great. Let's start multi-site a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm actually going to go ahead and close that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the beautiful leather products you have in your store. You want to showcase it on your website. Perhaps you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these products. Want to change it up a bit, you absolutely can do so. You don't need to know any color code, no website coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers. So let's go ahead and check that box. Excellent. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Underneath updates, social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your Mighty Sites page. Underneath update logo is where you can upload your business logo if you have one. You can make slight edits to it by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo to make it bigger and smaller. Now, if you'd like to change the colors used throughout your website, you don't need to know color coding at all. All you need to do is click on that little paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There's so many to choose from. To update the images in the sections, head on over to update section directly underneath it. Click on update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have an Instagram profile. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. Change the text on the buttons, and where they're linked, you can even upload a PDF file. In the last section at the bottom is where you can put in your opening hours for your business. Head on over to update hours, put in the various opening hours for each day of the week. Once you click on save, the page will automatically reload after saving and display the opening hours over here for your customers' convenience. Now, domains are super easy too. To connect your custom domain, if you have one, click on that yellow connect your domain button to follow the instructions. If you don't have a custom domain for your small business, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. You actually can purchase a custom domain via our platform as well by clicking on the connect your domain button too. Hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your leather goods store, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.